Hi Divas! I have a special opening for you today. It's from Diamond Painting Shop. Their logo is create art that makes you shine, or makes you smile. I'm sorry, that create art that makes you smile. This is a new shop to me, and it is out of Florida, so it is based in the United States. And this is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to show you. I have two masters paintings to show you. And they came very quickly, and they came with goodies. Shall we look at the goodies first? Let me pull you out so we can see what we're doing, okay? Hold on. Okay, she gave me some goodies, and in each little goodie pack I have 2 pieces of candy and 2 washi tapes. Sweet, literally. Oh, and more goodies here. It says thank you for your recent purchase, and it gives you a 10% off code for your next purchase. And it's, yep, and it says we support artists. And it gives you information on the back about how they support artists and their social media codes. Definitely going to check those out. They have a Facebook group. And, oh, it says tag us with your whips, unboxings, and reviews. Show off your goods. And sales, coupons, giveaways, and more if you join their Facebook group. I definitely intend to do so. And if you like shopping within the United States, I imagine that you would like that too. Okay, there is a diamond. This matches their box, by the way. I love the way they did their box. It's very bright and colorful. Okay, the diamond is a sticker. These don't appear to be stickers, but they're fun. We have some little images. They look like 2 of them look like Alphonse Mucha. It would go great in my junk journals. This one is a sticker. And here are 2 of the washi tapes, a green and a purple. And let's look at the washi tapes in the other one. Let's see. I'm definitely going to get involved with their Facebook group. Another diamond sticker. And another, oh, 2 more muchas. And another old-fashioned portrait. I love them. I really love them. They will go perfect in my junk journals. 2 more yummy goodies. And 2 more fun washi tape. I thank you so much for these. This is wonderful. I'm going to pack these goodies up again. Okay. Let's look at a kit, shall we? This one I got as an old master. Bring it all the way out. Supporting artists with every purchase. All right. In a plastic bag. Now let's take a feel of the canvas. Ooh, here they come. The kit is a typical kit. I got squares because I wanted to see how the squares performed, how they, I think the quality of the actual, the quality of the company is based in their squares. If they have good squares that don't pop, then they have good canvas and good squares, and then I trust the rest of what they have to offer. So, okay, they have a white Mosfa tray. And the only reason we say Mosfa is because it has Mosfa printed on the back, and it's got nice ridges to it that never disappoint when you're shaking them all about. And this one looks like a 9-placer. A 4-placer, and there's a 2-placer on the end of the sparkly pen, as well as the typical bronze tip and a squishy. And for the squares, you have a tweezer. and a large plate of pink wax. That's all you need, folks. That's all you need. Now, let me get this in here. Okay. I don't like to kit up too many diamond paintings at once. So I do like to work on only one at a time. And let me roll this up, only because I would get too confused. I like to have things finished. I like to see things finished. Alright, let's look at this canvas. First of all, it does have a soft back. It's not an over fuzzy flannel back, which is absolutely fine. It's a nice, stiff, sturdy canvas. I have a thumbnail on this end. This is called Cafe Terrace at Night by Vincent van Gogh. It is a 50 by 60 centimeter. Has their social media information at the bottom. At the bottom right and top left, they have a rather small inventory list. I don't really use them, and they get so close to the painting. I would move them away or do without them altogether, because they give you this rather large sticker. This is gorgeous. I don't know how I'm going to fit it in my notebook, but this is beautiful. This is the picture of the final, oh, come on now. This is the picture of the final painting, Cafe at Night, by Vincent van Gogh. And it gives the information on here. It gives you, well, this is a rather small index as well. It does say it comes with AB drills, and that's the SKU number at the bottom, the inventory number, in case you're looking for it. Let me see. I noticed with the paperwork that they did send me. Okay, they did send me the same thing, and this is actually of a size. On paper here, this is actually of a size that I can make a sticker out of it and cut it apart and use that for the top of my containers that I kit up in, or stick them on the bags that I use. So it gives you the sequence number, the symbol code, and the DMC color code on it as well. That's an awful lot of information. That's fantastic. Alright, before we get to the drills, let's take a closer look at the canvas. I want you to see up close and personal what the symbols look like, especially in a darker area. Oh gee, look at the flare. Not too bad. I can see the difference between those symbols, can't you? They are ringed in a very light colored square. Not quite guide circles, not what they call training wheels, but it's the grid behind it. The symbol is small enough in the middle that you can't help but cover it. Squares should butt up against each other to the point where you don't see those lines in between them as well. Let me pull you back out again for the whole view. Okay, so you see the bottom, you see the lots of confetti in the sidewalk here, but there are some color blocking areas as well, which is nice. You see the Paris street lit up at night. You see a building in the background. You see the cafe. I'm not sure if there's somebody sitting at the table or not, but it's a street cafe. And in the top, you see the dark blue sky at night, and some stars in the sky as well. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This would be perfect for summer with the masters if you like to join the challenges in our diamond painting communities. These are the drills. Beautiful, beautifully colored drills. Can you bring it in just a little bit again? To see the colors? I don't even need to take it out of the package. They are perfect. They are perfect. Now let's see the ABs. That's what I want to see as well, and find out where they go on the canvas and how they're labeled in the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. 7, 8 ABs, 9, 10. Wait a minute. Hold it. I have got to check these out. They are from 37 to 48. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ABs. 12 ABs. Oh, I'm so psyched. I'm so psyched. All right, they are the last numbers in here. So let's try to find them one after the other. Let's go up from the bottom, shall we? This is my little cheater glasses, my magnifying glass with the light on it. So this helps me read the symbols on the chart so I can tell you exactly where everything goes. All right, I have the first one is a white AB, and that I can see the symbol for it in the stars up here and a little bit on top of this one building over here. Okay, I have a blue AB that is the pound sign. I see some in here around each of the stars, and I see some again in here. Okay, I see some there. I have I'm going to do the other one that's a blue. No, never mind. Okay, so 46. 46 is the letter V. I see some of that down in the cobblestones at the bottom. I see some around each of the stars. That's a yellow. And there may be one or two. No, those are Y's. Definitely the V's around here and some in the cobblestones. Not many, but there are there. 45 is a blue. And that I see, let's see, I see going around the stars. So it's like the aura around the stars and some other shading in the night sky and in the terrace here. And down in here, I see some in the side. Let's see, I thought I saw some in the side over here. Yeah, a little bit in the side. Down in here. Okay, that's about the most. Okay, 44, and I'm going to put 40 in with them as well. They're a dark and a light green AB. I see them in the greenery in the window. I see them in the greenery down on the side here. That's where I saw those. There is a light AB, which is number 43, which is the letter J. Again, I see them in the stars. And in here on the top, the light in the building as well. Okay. I have orange, 41 and 42. Okay. An S and an orange S and a yellow $sign. So, let's see. They're kind of close in shade and they're close in color. So let's be careful. Let's be careful with that. There's the S, the orange S. The orange S and the yellow $sign are in here. In here and in the windows, the cafe windows, and in the light streaks in there. Okay, I do see some of the pound sign in here too that I showed you before in the light. Okay. Now 39 and 38 is the L and it's a very light $sign. So be very careful because you have the letter L and a light $sign, but you also have a yellow $sign with the letter L down here and the orange S two $signs and the letter S, and they're similar in color, so be very, very careful when you're doing those. There are more $signs in here. The L is in here, and in this light area over here, you have more L's in here, and $signs in there. You have some, I did see some light $signs elsewhere. Where did I see them? The L's go down below with the V's down here. They go down the side below the, they're in the cafe window, below the greenery. Okay. And the only place that I found these purples are 5 little dots right in here. Maybe I can show you. 5 little dots right in here. I found 5. So if you get this kit, I would be very careful in seeing how, be sure you get the right symbols, because some of them are similar. Some of them are similar. So be very careful that you're getting the right shade and the right symbol. I see some of these have little hitchhikers in it. We use stowaways or hitchhikers that are a different color than they're meant to be in that canvas. But let's pull you back out again. Okay. I noticed that the paper that I showed you earlier with all the colors on it did not come with the full, it only went down to number 40. It didn't go all the way down to 48 with the color chart, so I removed that. I did not want that to get mixed up in it. But this one, the sticker has all 48 on it. So I would use these to kit up if needed. But like I said, just be very careful. Be very careful of the similar symbols. I don't know why I'm doing this, because I'm not even going to use it. I'm going to use this though. That. Okay. Okay, so thank you for joining me for this one. I will put the other one in a different video because this one's gone quite long. So look again soon for the other diamond painting shop. That one will be a lengthy video as well, I have a feeling. So join me again for the next one. And I look forward to working with this company. All right, thanks, Divas. See you soon, and don't forget our Tuesday night lives from 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, look forward to seeing you there. Bye, Divas.